welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talking about virtual data room types for government agencies. Let's go. VDRs can be used for a variety of purposes by government agencies such as government contracting. VDRs can be used to share confidential information with potential contractors during the binding process. Regulatory compliance. VDRs can be used to store and share sensitive data in a compliant manner such as financial data or patient records. eDiscovery. VDRs can be used to collect, process and review electronic data during litigation or investigation. Freedom of Information Act requests. VDR can be used to process and fulfill FOIA requests in a secure and efficient manner. Types of VDR for government agencies. Government approved VDRs. Government approved VDRs are the VDRs that have been certified by government agencies to meet specific security and compliance requirements. Industry specific VDRs. Industry specific VDRs are the VDRs that are designed for specific industries such as government or healthcare. They offer features and functionality that are tailored to the needs of the specific industry. Cloud-based VDRs. Cloud-based VDRs are the VDRs that are hosted in the cloud, which means that they can be accessed from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Cloud-based VDRs are a good option for government agencies that need a VDR that is easy to deploy and manage. On-premises VDR. On-premises VDR are the VDR that are hosted on the government agency's own servers. On-premises VDRs are a good option for the government agency that needs a VDR that offers the highest security level and control. Choosing the right VDR for government agencies. Security. Government agencies often have highly sensitive data, so it is important to choose a VDR that offers a high level of security. Compliance. VDR must comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Government agencies should choose a VDR that is compliant with all of the laws and regulations that apply to them. Features. Consider the features that are important to you. For example, if you need a VDR that offers document management, user management and reporting, then you'll need to choose a VDR that offers these features. Ease of use. Consider how easy the VDR is to use. You need to choose a VDR that is easy for both internal and external users to use. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different VDR providers. Additional considerations. In addition to the factors listed above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when choosing a VDR for a government agency. Integration. If you're using other software systems such as a case management system or a document management system, make sure the VDR you choose integrates with those systems. Customer support. Make sure that the VDR provider offers a good customer support. Government agencies often have complex needs, so it is important to choose a VDR provider that can provide the support you need. Here are some additional tips for choosing the right VDR for government agencies. Read reviews of different VDR providers before making a decision. Ask for free trials of the VDR before you commit to paid subscription. Make sure the VDR you choose is easy to use for both external and internal users. Train your employees on how to use the VDR properly. Monitor the VDR regularly to ensure that it is being used properly and the data is secure. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.